Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex trading videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry. We send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Okay, the next trade that we're in, we set this trade I think 4 or 5 days ago to buy the US dollar yen that is slowly but surely working its way up. You can see on the daily chart we are trending up. We have been for quite some time. Way up, way up. We have higher highs and higher lows, low, high, low, and now it's slowly but working its way down, but I'm looking at this as a retracement. But for the most part, this thing for the last several weeks, actually about a month, almost 2 months, has been working its way up. You can see that we got higher lows and higher lows and higher highs. It's been working its way up until once it finally broke through and is working its way up. Now we do have a retracement today. In the last couple of days we've had a sell-off of this pair to the tune of about 120 pips, which is a good potential pullback. And so I'm still long on this pair because it is still trending up. I just did not expect this candle to be so bullish today, but we did buy at 79.50. We were waiting for a pullback. Price was moving up. We were waiting for a pullback and the price to continue higher. And right here is where our entry point is. We put our stop down here at a 70 pip stop, and we have a 130 pip profit target on this trade. So it's the same thing on this trade. With the US dollar news being so bouncy these days, and especially with the presidential elections, just be careful with this trade. I'm not going to allow this thing to go all the way to stop. If it would continue beyond this point here, if it gets too deep, I'm going to close early. Remember, part of taking losses is part of trading, and your goal is to minimize your losses as much as possible. And if you can take a 0.3 or 0.4% loss on a trade by cutting bait early and waiting for a re-entry, you're way better off doing that, and then making sure your profits are high. And if you do it right, you could have losses of 0.3 and 0.4%, and your gains are pushing 1.5 to 2% apiece. And overall, even if you're losing more trades than you're winning, you're coming out profitable at the end. So the number of trades that you win per month does not matter as much as your equity management and how you manage your losses and how you manage your wins. So just keep an eye on that trade. If this thing continues going deeper, in fact, let's look. We're at a daily chart. I want to break this down into an hourly chart and see how price is reacting. Now here's what I'm seeing. Price is pushed down pretty aggressively today. This was starting today. Oops, let me kill that off. This was starting today, actually yesterday at 5 p.m. New York time is when my charts go from 5 p.m. to 5 p.m. New York. And since then, this pair has been slowly but surely working its way down where it's losing gas. But today was an extra push down, and it blew pretty much past its daily range for the day. So I'm expecting that it's going to do a little bit of a rubber band effect. In fact, we're already seeing price, and I can't really count this candle, but we're already seeing that the bottom ends of these last two are a little bit of a rejection wick, not as big as I like to see. I would have loved to see this candle close out like a real strong pin bar or something like this, or even a doji, so it's an indecision level. But what we do have forming right now is an inside candle, and since it's an hourly chart, this candle actually just started 15 minutes ago. It's going to close in about 45 minutes. I'd love to see this candle push its way back up a little ways to form an inside bar, which could be a sign of relief of this downside pressure. and we could work our way back into our range. In worst case scenario, I will close this trade at break even or even a little bit in profit if I don't feel that the upward pressure is going to blast up like we originally planned. Our goal was to close this trade up here in 80.80. So anyway, just be careful of that. And let's check out our next couple trades that we are not live in, but we have set as pending. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.